National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, Westchester County in southeast New York, until 5 p.m. At 4:29 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Bedford, or 7 miles west of New Canaan, and moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Port Chester, Norwalk, Stamford, and Darien. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Fairfield County, Connecticut, and Westchester County, New York.